Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Snapchat password without phone number, tested method step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the official Snapchat website. Click on the Forgot Password link. You will be prompted to enter your username or email address. Provide the required information in the appropriate field. Select the method you wish to use to receive a password reset link. If you don't want to use your phone number, choose the option to send a link via email. Check your email inbox for the Snapchat password reset email. If you do not see it, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided. You will be redirected to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong and unique password that you haven't used before. Re-enter the new password to confirm it. Click the confirmation button to finalize the password reset process. Once reset, try logging into Snapchat with your new password. If successful, your account will be accessible again without a phone number. Remember to update your account settings if you gain access to your phone number later. This will ensure you have multiple ways to recover your account in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.